We just heard back from one of our happy customers who gave us a glowing 5-star review, so we thought we'd share it with the world. We're happy to say this is just one of the many reviews we get from our customers all the time. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing our customer took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.